Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Lemon Recipe to Eliminate Parasites and Body Fat. Are you overweight and want to get rid of your extra pounds? You started a healthy diet and you just put yourself to sport. Your efforts will soon be fruitful. But if you want to boost your weight loss and eliminate all the toxins and parasites in your body, this natural remedy is for you. You only need 2 ingredients to make it: lemon and celery. Weight gain does not only affect our physical appearance, but can cause various chronic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, and others. To remedy this, it is important to have a healthy lifestyle by adopting a balanced diet to fight against the extra pounds, but also eliminate waste and parasites that can hinder the burning of fat. Indeed, when we adopt a diet high in sugar and industrial foods, we promote the proliferation of bacteria and parasites. The latter are pathogens that elect domicile in our body called host. They develop during all or part of the life cycle of the organ in which they were formed. These are materialized in the form of viruses. There are different types of pests classified into 3 major groups: protozoa, metazoans, and arthropods. Oral, pulmonary, or bloodstream mosquito bite. These pathogens can contaminate the body and lead to serious parasitic diseases such as malaria. Symptoms related to this disease can be diarrhea, abdominal attacks, or dysentery syndrome. It is important to follow its signs because parasitosis can lead to hepatitis or intestinal obstruction. Here is a natural remedy based on lemon and celery to find a healthy weight and eliminate these parasites. It is easy to prepare. Ingredients: 1 kg of organic lemons, 400 grams of fresh celery, 2 liters of water. Preparation: grate the lemons to get the zest, then squeeze them and put their juice aside. Cook the zests of the lemons and celery sliced in water for at least 20 minutes. Out of the heat, add the juice, then filter. Your drink is ready. You can drink 1 glass of this mixture before each meal for a week. Warnings: be careful because before starting any cure or detox, it is necessary to seek the advice of your doctor. Choose a good diet and enough exercise to prevent weight gain. Celery has a low allergenicity, so be aware of your body's reactions by consuming it. If you suffer from stomach ulcers, biliary disorders, or kidney problems, you should not consume lemon. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.